英语只是个工具。让我们一起来学习怎么说热点。
Recently, I've been thinking a lot about why so many people online seem to dislike Sun Yang in the show Viva la Romance 2026. I think one major reason is that he always focuses on other people's mistakes. In every conflict, he presents himself as the complete victim. He keeps pointing out what others did wrong, but he rarely stops to reflect on himself. It almost feels like, in his mind, whenever he does something, people are supposed to praise him for it. He seems to expect approval all the time. And if someone shows even the slightest misunderstanding, disagreement, or lack of support, he immediately takes it as criticism. But the problem is, he never really examines his own behavior. He doesn't ask himself, how did I treat other people? He only cares about how people judge him. He doesn't seem interested in understanding why people react negatively toward him in the first place. After appearing on a reality show, becoming a public topic is almost unavoidable. Some celebrities can accept criticism calmly, and people usually respect that honesty. But what frustrates viewers is that he not only refuses to accept criticism, he also places himself firmly in the role of the victim. It's like he believes the whole world is against him. He acts as if everyone is attacking him, judging him, or intentionally being malicious toward him. But he rarely asks himself, what exactly did I do that caused this reaction? What should I reflect on? Instead, he focuses entirely on how much criticism he receives. It becomes, if you dislike me, then you must be wrong. Honestly, that's a very typical victim mentality. Psychologically, it often shows a lack of emotional maturity. In his world, people seem to be divided into only two categories, good or bad. And to be honest, I feel like no matter which woman marries him, she may eventually become the bad person in his eyes. Because deep down, he may already carry a negative image of women or maternal authority figures. What's interesting is that, in relationships, he still wants the kind of care and nurturing that Zhang Daodu gives him. He wants to be cared for emotionally, almost like a child wanting comfort from a mother figure. At the same time, he keeps complaining that the care he receives is still not enough. No matter what the other person does, he seems dissatisfied. There is always criticism. There is always judgment. And yet, he doesn't really allow the other person to push back or say no. That's exactly why so many viewers find his behavior hard to accept. He shows very little self-awareness. And he reflects on himself very little. Meanwhile, throughout the show, Zhang Daodu keeps asking herself, did I do something wrong? How can I support him better? But he rarely approaches things that way. His attitude often feels like, everything I do is justified. If I criticize my wife, it's because she complains too much. If I get angry, it's because she caused it. He always seems to have a reason that makes himself right. But he rarely steps outside of his own perspective to look at the actual reality. It feels like he's living inside his own emotional narrative. And inside that narrative, he remains the injured person while society becomes the attacker. That's probably his biggest emotional trap. And honestly, it's also one of the main reasons why he frustrates so many viewers.